Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view the other DG members' wishes on the Sea Lantern event in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Right now there's an event in Heartopia. It's called the Sea Lanterns of Sentiment, and this is a limited time event. It will leave after certain days. And if you want to join this event guys, you can go to the release point. You can select lantern release point tracker to track the release point, and then here you will find a lot of sea lanterns. Okay, and you can see the wishes from the other DG members on the Lotus lantern. Okay, this is one of the Lotus lanterns, but for this lantern you won't be able to see anything because it's just a lantern without the wishes. Okay, and you can explore the lantern. Okay, this one, Lotus lantern. Look at the brightest side of your life. Ooh, it's cool. Basically, you can write anything that you want, but you can only write blessings or wishes on the Lotus Sea lantern. Wishing for increase in salary and better position, love life. Oh, okay. Oh, I can't read that. Oh, I don't know. Okay. And yeah, that's how you can read the other DG members' wishes on the Sea Lantern in Heartopia Sea Lantern event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!